Let's get to this, bro. What are we thinking? Rap? Yes, this is milk, so you guys know. Alright. Let's get to this. Let's get down to business. We are at the PM Open. Right, let's just look at our 4 hour. Obviously, we inverse with great volume. Not really that great, but we do have the stacked low resistance. I can kind of expect us to take this out. 1 hour wise, we're just chopping around. We did take out this high, then we come down. Probably gonna take out this low. We'll react and kind of weird. And then the 15-minute, well, we're holding inside this inverse for value gap. That gets inverse. Nope, it doesn't. Then we take out the low. Alright, we have some really good volume, and I do see a bunch of this just stacked low resistance down here too. My assumption, we take out this low as well, going down. Kind of like complete the set. Let's see what happens. Maybe a retracement too. Here we go. Came into the fair value gap, we tapped it. Inverse this guy with pretty decent volume. To me, this seems like a textbook entry, and then obviously target this draw. This is just a 1.1R though, so let's try to switch this. Looks like a 2 at least. There you go. Why? Because the volume's dying. But we did create equal lows, which is kind of important for us. Alright, here we took out equal lows. This is really another bad setup, but it's a 1R. There you go. Alright, our next draw will probably be around here, because it's the fair value gap. There you go. And then I'm off from there. Now, yeah, this is a 1R. But it just chops around right after, right? I mean, you can see the volume is not even existing after this point. But I mean, to catch that is really good, right? You always want to keep in mind, we have the 5 minute, right? We have the fair value gap we draw. We have the 1 minute. We aren't looking for some chunky movement. We want like a clear inverse. Like here it wasn't a clear push down. It kind of stuttered before it inverse. And that's like something we want to avoid all the time, is like stuff like that. So keep that in mind. Let's go to the next session, honestly. Go to next session. Go to next session. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I just want to be part of your symphony. Let go.
Why'd I even look there, dude? Okay. Okay. You know, I want to jump off a cliff. Let's get over this, right? Here's our market open. What's our obvious, like, 4-hour telling us? Where's volume? I mean, we are kind of bullish, but we are dying off now, and we're just consolidating. But, like, my obvious draw, like I said, would be these stacked highs. And then for the downside, I think this is equal lows, almost. They're relative equal lows. Yeah. Relative equal lows don't really mean much, but it's gonna be a choppy day, honestly. I mean, we do have this big imbalance right here, kind of telling us that we're still bullish to take out at least these highs, but I don't know how long that's gonna be for. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, these stacked highs are really what I want us to take out. So I'm kind of looking forward to taking out those stacked highs, but let's see what price does. Kind of just want to see an imbalance to the upside like so. And then a possible retracement to one of these might be what I look for. It looks like maybe the 15-minute will be my go-to. Never mind. The 1 minute and create some sort of, there you go. Imbalance into the 15-minute. We are holding. We do almost, let's see, do we inverse? Alright, so we did inverse U, so then best bets are going to be these two. Let's see what happens. I want to tap the second for value gap. Now that we tapped him, he's in our premium discount range, right? Let's look at the 5-minute. That is some strong volume. Probably the most obvious draw will be this for value gap, and we go break even off of you. Kind of want to see an inverse happening now. Let's see what happens. So we do inverse with actually great volume right here. And we're still playing inside this 15-minute. And then, like I said, our obvious draw will be you. And then if everything goes well, this is our second obvious draw. This is 8R. I really don't know. Right, so we are a break even now. See what happens. Yeah, kind of expected that. It was a break even trade. Oh, I have to use the bathroom. Hold on. Alright, back to back testing. I have the craziest idea right now. Alright, obviously we see the draw on liquidity, right? We did push high, and then we lose the momentum here. We do draw, take out these highs. Remember how we have stacked highs here, even there, kind of telling us it's a sign that we're gonna go bullish. And then here we are reversing. It's pretty tricky of a trade to like kind of counter here, right? Yeah, we did take out this high. Yeah, we did basically sweep it. Yeah, we pushed down, but setup into this for value gap is at least what we could have gotten. It's like the least of our worries, and I did agree that break even off of you would be a thing. This is 2 hour alone as well, but you can kind of see when volume is really aggressive. Right, we took about 15 minutes for this and just 20 minutes for you, so kind of like, right, now I'm curious, right.
Yes, I can see you. 'Cause every girl here wanna be you.
Oh, she's a diva.
I feel the same and I wanna meet her. They say she low down. It's just a room and I don't believe them. They say she needs to slow down. The baddest thing around town. She's nothing like a girl you've ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. Oh, I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moving, I can't take no more. Had to stop what I'm doing so I can pull her close. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful.
Thinking like,
Damn, you's a sexy bitch. A sexy bitch. Damn, you's a sexy bitch. Damn, girl. Damn, you's a sexy bitch. A sexy bitch. Damn, you's a sexy bitch. Damn, girl.
right. Alright, let's get this done. Now I'm actually curious, right? Because I say if I can put in it could really work together, right? I'm gonna close out this dumb thing here. We don't need that. What we do need though is just literally the U2. Alright, let's get to work. We don't need that. Alright. We're gonna have to add actually I think a track, so import track. I'm just gonna hop on downloads here. Give me a second. BPM ranges, yeah. Alright. Let's go ahead and look for thingy here. And then let's try to remix this. I'm actually curious. We're gonna load up the thingy here. The YouTube. Let me pause this YouTube song. Alright. Just wanna make sure. Alright, cool. So we're here. We're gonna go into our play mode. I forgot how we do this actually. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. Right, it's the same BPM almost. I think we're actually off by a slight. So how about we reread this left guy? Which one's the left guy? Oh my god, I'm retarded. The acapella. Beat sync is on? No. Should be at 138. Hold on. Up you go. Alright, let's see. Where's the audio? We need audio. We need audio. Where's the audio guy? Where is he? So that's over here. I think so. Where is he? Yeah. Alright. Dude. Where's the dumb audio button? What? No. Wrong one. Alright. Alright, let's play this. Be she's a diva. Sing on, I wanna meet her. Alright. Shut that out of here. Don't ever put me on. Don't let me put you guys on, bro. It's probably the worst I've ever done. I try here. Here's actually kind of tough because you could bop your head to like what you do. Alright, let's pick a random song here. I'm thinking... Get okay. 32? I'm being autistic. Alright, can we actually log in? And put on some actual music. There's nothing like a girl you've never seen before. Nothing you compare with your I'm trying to Alright, let's put on a song. I'm thinking. Wow. Play the playlist and it gets me that. Good gracious, they know what's going on. Alright. Well, I'm gonna try off my display capture. Alright.
Just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough.
Alright. Let's get this done. So, like, obviously our draw liquidity is not bearish, right? Probably gonna take out all of this low resistance liquidity here. And there's also an additional chunk of them right here. I'm overall just gonna be bearish for the day, right? This should have been my entry for a reversal. But it's weird because we're super bullish here. But I guess there isn't really any more low resistance. It's all like stacked highs, and this is low. My guess. Go down, take out these lows, and then pump up. You ready? Jesus Christ. Maybe that's why. Do you guys think we took it the lows? Comment down below. Jesus. Now we're just big time bearish. Equilibrium gets tapped into, right? This entire leg is right here. And watch, it's gonna dump down now. Wow. That is the most insane recovery I've ever seen, dude. Liquidity out. Tapped into for value gap. Nice. In the next session. One, two, three. One. You're like Mr. Roboto. Please don't turn me out. We're just extremely bullish here. I mean, honestly, the most I can say is doing is taking out these lows, but overall, we gotta fill this gap, so I'm bullish. Kind of see price action feed me that bullish momentum. Probably into this for value gap or something would be nice. Which we do come into this for value gap. Just looking at all the other time frames, we do have this bearish gap up here. 5 minutes is otherwise. We do have this 5-minute gap. This is my switch up. Too choppy. Which is kind of a good thing, but let's see. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, because we inverse to, kind of just take this entry at least to here and go break even. And then obviously these draws are obvious. You know, all of them are really obvious up until this high. But this is some weak volume. We gotta decide, are we going long or not? I mean, realistically, no. I wouldn't take this just because of that, so. Because I kind of want to see the imbalance still to the upside, right? So let's let this play out until we create a 5-minute imbalance. Alright, we do come down. We're taking out these lows that are stacked. That's fine. Weak volume. Jesus. Alright, that's some clean volume. Now, we do tap this for value gap down here. It's still really choppy. Let's take out these lows. There you go. We do close above you almost. Alright, I take this for value gap that we create, maybe. I can see this. We do have stacked highs though, but let's see. Really choppy. This is a 1.6R, but I don't know. Oh, we did take out the stacked highs. Alright, so now we're bearish, right? So we create an imbalance, a downside that I can retrace into. Alright. Same type of process, right? What was the 4-hour? We are inside this big giant imbalance. I mean, big time. We have to reach equilibrium, which we already broke it, so we should reject here, but with our momentum, we're bullish. I'm gonna just remain that way. So take out at least these stacked highs. Right? 1 hour. For value gaps in the way, but same thing I was arguing beforehand. Just for value gap if we really draw. I just want to see some sort of imbalance upwards probably. I mean, there's a lot of stack highs and lows, honestly. Alright, here we are. We take out these stacked lows. We create this imbalance upwards. Let's see. Nah, too weak. This is a weak day. Obviously though, we take out these lows, we know these are our next lows. Stuff for value gap retracement though, it's not really that valid. And then we get this running in around 2 o'clock, right, where we finally take out the liquidity. Let's see if we draw down. It's a really small fair value gap that got mitigated. I don't want to bother really too much. And obviously we came into that liquidity line, right? Probably could target this for a 9-hour trade, but let's see what happens. Yeah, we're hitting market after hours. Probably gonna be a 6 o'clock candle's gonna knock us out, yeah. We would have already been out though, but still. You see how you catch the volume. Same thing going on here with the 4-hour, right? What do we have? We have this weakness coming into price now, right? We're starting to see what bearish momentum kicking, right? When candles show weakness, we assume that we're probably gonna be bearish. We could close up more because of this leg up, but we're inside of some sort of bearish momentum. Let's just be wary, right? 1 hour, this candle did hold though, so we are still looking for at least a high to be taken. Maybe this guy. Otherwise, I kind of want to take out these. Let's see what happens. I just want to read momentum right now. Yeah, we're going down. Waiting for bearish signals, right? Alright, got this really big bullish one. We come up, take out what? This high. And now we're pumping down, right? Okay, good. This for value gap. Sweep, then we finally inverse. Alright. Kind of chopping, we're creating really low resistance lows right now. And then we come in and proceed to come into what? This for value gap. Lots of momentum though, which is concerning. We don't want to really see that, so let's just be careful here and watch it. I really don't like that yet, no. Let's wait for another leg. Alright, and then when you see stuff like this, right, like, okay, obviously we inverse this for value gap, right? You can kind of scale down and understand what is our next strong liquidity going to be. All this stacked lows down here. After that inversion being this candle for whatever reason. Or this one, right? You kind of just see, okay, what are we marking out? What fair value gaps do we want to draw into before we would, like, get stopped out, right? Okay, this guy. And within there, we create what? An inversion. So then you could just set up your thingy, put a little bit above the highs. This is really just a 1.6R trade, honestly. You might want to drop it, but this is just following like your risk plan, and then bam, right? It's probably gonna reverse now because we took out what? The low resistance liquidity. Knowing that we took out this low resistance liquidity, we still have this very affirmative high. We kind of expect this to probably come into here if we have a lot of weak volume when it comes to that. So let's see what happens. Alright, we finally took out that low resistance, and also we have even more. Well, let's see. Alright, volume's kind of choppy. Take out that liquidity. We're already in next day. Alright, I'm streaming right now. Alright, 30 minute. And then you're gonna hop on the 5 minute here. And then let's analyze the 4 hour now. So we are drawn into these 4 hour weak highs, right? The stacked highs that mean literally nothing. It's low resistance liquidity. So we know we're gonna take this out most likely. Now coming up from higher, I doubt it. 1 hour wise, we just have a lot of imbalances at the bottom that have supporting us. So it really varies what happens, but let's see what happens. Why not, right? So obvious, like, understanding We have lots of stacked lows in this area. Like extremely stacked. Okay, Jesus. So I say probably we're gonna hold this for value gap here. Do we hold? Kinda. We could take this as an entry, honestly, but I don't know. Really weird, wonky chart. Maybe if we create like another inversion. Did we take that? No, it's not so displacing like. That's a promising candle, right? Oh, we close the ball though. Alright, this could possibly be our entry. All I see is we have a large stack of like resistance liquidity here, right? And understand that we're inside this 1 hour imbalance. I don't even have to look for value gap. I kind of could just understand that. But this stage is extremely choppy. We're going big time shorts though. With the amount of low resistance liquidity we're just carrying around us here. Look at this. So we're just going to wait for us to create some sort of. Alright. That candle kind of scares me. We don't like to enter when it instantly reacts like that. So we're waiting. This is my type of like T, right? Put stop loss a lot above. And you can kind of expect some sort of trade like this to occur, right? Yeah, we do have a lot of low resistance liquidity coming through, but the type of it's just really choppy overall, right? We do still have a lot of 5-minute stacks. I can literally play and it's gonna come down, I bet you. Cause of dumb news, bro. Alright, so obvious 1 hour draws. Well, we are pretty bearish, so I kind of expect us to take out these lows because we already inversed you. But if we do, we're going to probably take out these highs. 4 hour wise, we still are inside this bullish momentum. But I kind of still want to look bullish. Okay. So now what am I doing? I'm looking for some sort of 5-minute liquidity. Some short-term 5-minute liquidity that we could possibly draw into that can support our 4 hour bias. And if it doesn't, that's where the 1 hour bias kicks in, right? So obviously we took out all this low resistance. I kind of want to see it just build up a bullish confirmation for us. Yeah, we take out that high. Trying to look for some sort of bullish closure. We are looking sort of bullish, but the bearish candles look still pretty strong here. I'm not gonna hold you. Probably drawing into this guy. Seems the most reasonable for the leg. See what happens. Come on. Please. There you go. Actually, that's some great volume. Holy cow. Okay. Can we inverse? Or weakening? Just doesn't inverse. Okay. Giga retracement, bro. Blame it on me. Alright, we're still bullish, but I don't know, this is really weak momentum. If we were to do our trading strategy that we did to pass the prop from funded account, you would see how weird it is, right? I'll do one with you guys to kind of explain and show you, but alright. What is our drawn liquidity currently? Really just this for value gap because we know if we come down, these highs are so free in addition to these highs. So I'm just overall bullish for the day, but if we do come down, I do understand where we're going into. Now looking at the 1 minute, where are we heading into ourselves, right? We do have this for value gap here, and we are taking out liquidity, so if we inverse this top guy right here, which we do with great momentum, off the rip, I already know I'm bullish. So I can just simply target, and target. And then you'll just see how price action kind of plays off from there, right? This is just an example of some type of trade I would lose because it's not clear price action. We always want clear price action, but what are we creating? Some low resistance liquidity. What do? We come down, we sweep, right? Inverse. Still, I don't like it. I want to make us leg down that we could react off of. Our draw is lows now. So this for value gaps our draw. Our inversion would be one of these. And we completely inverse. So what do we do? We come into this for value gap here. We have a bunch of stacked highs, just telling us that we are bullish. And then all I got to do here is just look for some sort of inversion. Great volume. Stop loss set. Obvious draws. And then let the trade ride, right? So I don't know what's going on.